Guys, amateur motocross is like just so weird. We've got this Moto Combine thing that happens at, you know, specific races. They just started a few years ago. And it's a mixture of the top A and B riders in the country, which is just weird. This year we've got a Canadian champion who's running the Combine. Yeah, Deegan won the Redbud round last year, right? He was a B rider. Casey Cochran just won today. He went 1-1. You know, he's a B rider. It's really weird that the fastest, most premier guys are B riders always, and the A guys are the guys that weren't quite fast enough to transition right out of B to, you know, to the pro ranks. Now, Verb said in their article that about half the guys who lined up today had some Combine experience. The other half were brand new. And I know this whole A-B thing with motocross has been this way for years. But for years, I've always kind of held my breath and just kind of crossed my fingers that someday we would find out like a better way to bring amateurs through the ranks and transition to the pro class. And it's just never happened, and it probably never will.